To create a coupon, go to the left and find coupons here. Then go to the top and click add new coupon. For my coupon code, I'm going to name this welcome 10. In the description, I'm going to put 10% off coupon to celebrate the launch of our website. Now under discount type, we have a few options here. We have percentage discount, fixed cart discount, and fixed product discount. The most common coupon is the percentage discount. So I'll be going with that option. For the coupon amount, I'm going to set this to 10%. You can also choose if this coupon will allow free shipping. Right now on my store, I only offer free shipping, so I don't have to worry about this. For here, you can choose if you want the coupon to expire. This is totally up to you. Then here we have usage restriction. You can choose if there's a minimum spend or maximum spend in order to trigger the coupon. For individual use only, this means that the coupon can't be used with other coupons. And you can also choose to exclude items that are on sale. You also have some more specific options down here regarding products and product categories that you want to exclude. And then under usage limits, you can choose if you want this coupon to only be able to be used a certain amount of times. You can also limit it per user. I'm happy with my general settings here, so I'm going to go up to the top and click on Publish.